so I have my chicken breast here, which I've cut them into small bite size inside. Okay, 0.5 tablespoon of chopped garlic in there. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce inside here. Alright, I'm gonna just spread it across in there. 0.5 tablespoon of red pepper also in here. Okay, I love ginger because it helps boost the immune system. 6 tablespoons of milk. And black pepper. So it is well mixed. Try to let everything soak because we're going to marinate this. Put this in the fridge. I'm taking it to the fridge. Pour in my 140 grams of all-purpose flour in a bowl. And then my 70 grams of cornstarch also in a bowl. Then I have my 0.5 tablespoon of red pepper here. I have my 4 pinches of salt also in here. And I'm gonna mix them. Whisk it. I'll mix it very well. First layer ready. First layer ready, but once you have our first layer ready, you have to soak it in the water, very cold water, to get your second layer. Okay, now we have our cold water, so we're gonna get our second layer. Soak it in cold water, then you put it back. I'm gonna add my cooking oil, which is Unico brand. I will check if the oil has fried enough by just placing this to check. Once you hear the sizzling sound, that means now you're gonna turn it over. Okay, so now we have our first fry ready, but because we want it to be more crispy, we're gonna go for our second fry, okay? Try to keep it on the low heat when you're doing this. You try to do the same thing, you flip them over. Soon it's gonna be ready. Just hear the sound. Our KFC chicken is ready. This is so awesome and very nice.